Hi everyone, this is Ahor. I hope you are doing awesome today. Today I'm gonna try to sing a Hindi song called Tum Se Hi from the movie Jab We Met. I don't understand Hindi nor do I speak Hindi, so I know that my pronunciation will be completely different from the native speakers like you guys. But today I'm gonna try this song because I love this song and I find this song very romantic. I hope you like it. ना है पाना ना खोना ये है तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है तुमसे ही दिन होता है सुनई शाम आती है तुमसे ही हलखड़ी सांस आती है जिंदगी कहलाती है तुमसे ही ना है पाना ना खोना ही है तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है. That's all for today. I just want to try the first verse because I don't know the pronunciation of the remaining parts. So maybe in future I'll try to sing the whole song. I hope you like that small clip. Thank you.